In the realm of industrial automation, the integration of smart technology into heavy machinery is revolutionizing operational efficiency and maintenance practices. A recent development showcases how a comprehensive telematics package can transform a fleet of snowplows into highly efficient, data-driven machines. This transformation begins with the implementation of an advanced Internet of Things (IoT) system that provides all-encompassing connectivity. By equipping each snowplow with this sophisticated system, operators gain real-time access to critical data, enabling them to make informed decisions and optimize performance. The core of this smart system lies in its ability to collect and transmit data from various sensors installed on the snowplows. These sensors monitor parameters such as engine performance, fuel consumption, and operational hours. The data collected is then processed and analyzed to provide insights into the machine's condition and efficiency. One of the significant advantages of this smart technology is predictive maintenance. By continuously monitoring the snowplows, the system can predict potential failures before they occur. This proactive approach minimizes downtime and reduces maintenance costs, ensuring that the fleet remains operational during critical periods. And here's why that matters. The IoT system is the cornerstone of this transformation, providing seamless connectivity and real-time data access. Each snowplow is equipped with sensors that constantly monitor engine performance, fuel consumption, and operational hours. This data is transmitted to a central system where it's processed and analyzed, offering invaluable insights into the machine's condition and efficiency. One key benefit is predictive maintenance. By continuously monitoring the snowplows, the system can forecast potential failures, allowing for proactive measures that minimize downtime and reduce costs. This smart technology not only enhances operational efficiency but also ensures that the fleet remains operational during critical periods. Listen carefully, because this is where the magic happens. Predictive maintenance is a game changer in industrial automation, especially for critical machinery like snowplows. By leveraging IoT sensors and data analytics, we can predict equipment failures before they happen. This means less downtime and lower maintenance costs. Imagine a system that constantly monitors engine performance, fuel consumption, and operational hours. When anomalies are detected, alerts are sent to operators, allowing them to address issues proactively. The key parameter here is the predictive threshold, which should be set based on historical data and manufacturer recommendations. Typically, a threshold of 10% deviation from normal operation is a good starting point. This approach not only extends the lifespan of the equipment but also optimizes operational efficiency. And here's why that matters. The integration of Programmable Logic Controllers, or PLCs, into our snowplows is a game changer. Imagine each snowplow as a finely tuned orchestra, with the PLC as the conductor. Using environments like Siemens TIA Portal, we program these PLCs to control every aspect of the machine's operation. This means setting exact parameters for engine throttle, blade angle, and even the timing of de-icing cycles. For instance, setting the throttle parameter to 75% ensures optimal fuel efficiency without sacrificing power. The PLC constantly monitors sensor data, making micro-adjustments in real time. This level of precision not only enhances performance but also reduces wear and tear, extending the machine's lifespan. And there's more. By leveraging PLCs, we can implement complex algorithms for route optimization, ensuring each snowplow covers its designated area with minimal overlap and maximum efficiency. And here's why that matters. With the integration of this smart technology, fleet management transforms into a highly optimized, data-driven operation. Imagine having real-time access to the location and status of each snowplow. This allows operators to optimize routes dynamically, ensuring that every resource is utilized to its maximum potential. By tracking operational hours and fuel consumption, you can schedule maintenance more efficiently, reducing downtime and extending the lifespan of each machine. The system's predictive maintenance capabilities mean you're no longer reactive but proactive, addressing issues before they escalate. This not only saves costs but also enhances reliability. Furthermore, the use of PLCs for precise control means each snowplow operates with optimal efficiency, adapting to varying conditions seamlessly. This level of automation and data-driven decision-making ensures that your fleet is not just operational but thriving. As we conclude, let's encapsulate the transformative journey of integrating smart technology into industrial snowplows. The core of this evolution lies in the IoT system's real-time data collection and transmission, which empowers operators with actionable insights. Predictive maintenance, enabled by continuous monitoring, ensures minimal downtime and cost-effective operations. The incorporation of PLCs, programmed with precision using environments like Siemens TIA Portal, elevates automation to new heights, allowing snowplows to adapt and perform with unparalleled accuracy. Fleet management is revolutionized through real-time tracking and status updates, optimizing resource utilization and operational coordination. This synthesis of IoT, PLCs, and predictive analytics not only enhances efficiency but also sets a precedent for future industrial automation innovations. Remember, this level of knowledge is yours to master, free of charge. Subscribe to stay ahead in this rapidly evolving field.